Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making Jamaican Hardo Bread. Here is what you need: flour, melted butter, dry yeast, salt, milk, water, honey, oil. Mix the salt and flour together. Add the water, milk, oil, melted butter, instant yeast, honey, and mix together. Add your wet mixture to the flour and salt, then start your mixer. Mix for 8 minutes. While mixing, use a spatula to remove any dough that's sticking on the edge. After 8 minutes, remove the dough, put a little flour on a clean surface and knead the dough for 4 more minutes. I grease the bake tin with butter. Then make the dough into a loaf shape to fit the pan. Make sure on top of it is smooth. Then put the dough into the pan and press it down with your hands. And rub some oil on top of it and cover with a plastic wrap and a towel and let it sit for 1 hour. After 1 hour, this is how it looks. It rises. I preheat my oven for 350. Here I'm rubbing some butter on top of it, so when it bakes, it will have a nice and pretty brown color. So guys, that's my grandson is watching me bake. So we're gonna bake the dough for 40 minutes. Guys, it's ready. It's looking good. Guys, I'm taking it out of the bake tin to let it cool, but I'm not gonna let mine cool now because I'm gonna cut it right now to eat hot with some butter. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Look out for more bread recipes.
Bread! It's hot, baby. It's hot. When it's cool, you get it. When it's cool, you're gonna get it. Yeah, that you're blowing it.